In this video we are going to discuss about the test for carbon dioxide gas. Now the test for carbon dioxide gas is as follows. First, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Right? What is lime water? Lime water means calcium hydroxide. However, if excess of carbon dioxide is passed, then the milkiness will disappear. So if you pass carbon dioxide through lime water, it will turn milky, and if you pass more carbon dioxide in excess, then the milkiness will disappear. We'll first take a quick look at a demo of this experiment, and then we'll come back to the equations. And in the other thing, we are going to take lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. So in the other conical flask, we are going to take. So in this conical flask, we have sodium carbonate, and in this conical flask, this is the dilute acid. We are taking sulfuric acid over here. In the last video, we had seen that we can use hydrochloric acid, but we are taking sulfuric acid. So we have this derivative. As soon as we pour this acid, you can see the reaction that gets in the last video, and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. And carbon dioxide passes through this derivative into this lime water. You can see the change in color. You can see that it has turned milky. It is no longer transparent, it has turned milky. Now if you go on passing carbon dioxide more through this thing, you will see that if excess of carbon dioxide is passed, then this milkiness will disappear. So slowly you will see that this milkiness disappears. It will become colorless once again. There you see the milkiness has disappeared, it has become colorless once again. We'll quickly take a look at the reactions now. So, lime water, it is calcium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide. And it reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate plus water. Right? This is an aqueous solution. Carbon dioxide is a gas. Now this one, calcium carbonate, this is insoluble, so it's a solid, and water is a liquid. So you can see that this thing, it is a solid, it is not soluble in water. So this is seen as the white precipitate, and this is the reason for the milkiness of the solution. So we can write here that white precipitate. So which one is the white precipitate? This is the white precipitate because it is solid and insoluble in water. Now what happens if we pass excess of carbon dioxide through it? So we are already having calcium carbonate, and we are having water. Okay, and if we go on passing more carbon dioxide through it, then what we get is calcium hydrogen carbonate. Okay? And this calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in water, right? So we'll write that this is soluble in water, and since this is soluble in water, so what happens? The milkiness will disappear. So when first we are passing carbon dioxide through lime water, there is a solid substance that is insoluble in water, which is formed calcium carbonate, and so that is the reason for the white precipitate and the milkiness of the substance. Next, if you pass more carbon dioxide through it, then what happens? Then calcium hydrogen carbonate is formed, which is soluble in water, and hence the milkiness disappears. So this is the test for carbon dioxide. We shall come back in our next video to see other properties of acids and bases. Thank you.